Students, today we will learn this chapter number 4, Zebar Ka Dibba. So let us read. Zebar Ka Dibba, written by the noted story writer Munshi Premchand, is a simple story. The story is full of suspense and realism. Prakash is a poor but honest man. He works as tutor at a rich Thakur's place. The members of Thakur family fully trust him. The wedding day of the young Thakur's son, arrives. Prakash has been entrusted to look after the arrangements. The honesty of the tutor wavers. He steals the box of jewels. He very much wishes that his wife Champa should wear the diamond set and look more beautiful. There issues a battle between him and his conscience. Prakash's wife Champa is an ideal wife. She discovers the secret, but she does not disclose the fact to her husband. She time and again reminds Prakash of the trust reposed in him by the Thakur family. Champa has been playing psychologically on the mind of her husband. She does not like Prakash know that she knows the mystery of the jewel box. She only requests and forces him to turn the box of jewels to the Thakur who has been so good to him. The Thakur continues to trust Prakash. He helps him financially. He stands a surety for Prakash with a bank that offered him a good job. The Thakur family is invited and a sumptuous feast is arranged in the celebration of his getting the bank job. After the meal, the Thakur and the members of his family are sleeping in Prakash's house. At last good sense prevails and Prakash goes to Thakur's house and puts the jewel box at its original place. Next morning, the Thakur is surprised to get back of his box of jewels. All are happy. A thief who repents his act should be pardoned, said the Thakurain. Champa is overjoyed to learn that the box of jewels has been safely turned to its owner. She meets her husband jubilantly. This story is about a jewelry box which was stolen by a known person of a family. The writer of this story is Munshi Premchand. The story is about stealing of jewelry. Prakash is the teacher of Thakur's sons. Thakur believes Prakash blindly. Prakash takes the chance and steals the jewelry box at the time of Thakur's son's marriage. Champa is Prakash's wife. She is good woman. She knows the incident. She continuously helps to remember Prakash about the Thakur's kindness. With the help of Thakur family, Prakash gets a job at bank. Prakash arranged a feast and invited the Thakur family in his home. After dinner, they sleep. At that moment, Prakash good wills. He wants to return the jewelry box. Then he goes to Thakur's home and returns the box of jewelry. When they return their home, they found their jewelry box at the right place. They forgive the thief for his repentation. Here Thakurain meaning the wife of the Thakur. Knowing this, Champa becomes very happy. So student, this is the gist of this story. Student, look, I have written the word meanings of this story. So follow this and read this.